Okay, are you ready for that moment in time? Where we announce the overall highest in merit. Before we announce, meron lang pong babanggiting observations, no, ang ating selection committee para naman next time we can improve our presentation. Okay? This will be mentioned by the chairperson of our selection committee, Dr. Aplate. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Ayan, di manong tayong di oras na ururayin nyo. Excited? To also observe the festivals of the other provinces of the Cordilleras, sige man, ibagak ti Abra, ibagayo, Kawayan Festival, no Apayao, Sayang Festival, no Benguet, Adibay Festival, no Ifugao, Imbaya Festival, no Kalinga, Mataguan Festival, no Mountain Province, Langay Festival, and then of course, ang ating Baguio City, Panagpanga Festival. Okay? Ulitin natin. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Abra! Apayao! Sayang Festival! Hindi kasi represented ang Apayao. Oo, so that is one actually of our observations. Iso nga mayat kuma, kadagiti performers tayo nga, ag-research tayo mo, ininay salsala, kultura, iti Apayao, tapno no sumaruno. Ya, ngatawan at tamo ti performance, agapu iti Apayao. Okay, Benguet! Okay, Ifugao! Okay, Kalinga! Mountain Province! Ayan, even in the shouting, no, in the chants, mamadlaw, iti major performers tayo, tatanga aldaw from Mountain Province and Kalinga. Medyo haan nga balance, so we need to balance too, okay? Benguet is the home of the Ibaloys, manuti Benguet performers nga nabilang tayo tatang. Okay? At least adati Abra performers tayo, adati Ifugao, but then nabati si Apayao. Ayun, ang mga taga-Ifugao. So overall, from your 3 judges, kunada, gawi-gawi, maya-maya, es-esten tayo, kunana ni Officer Max, mayat amin, ituloy kayo, tikastoy, ya programa. Yes. Now, the result, are you ready?
For the announcement of today's performances, it will be rendered by our Chairman Emeritus, Congressman Mauricio G. Damogan.
Gabay lang ang J1, sir. Zoom mo kayo doon. From the results of the Board of Judges judgment, let us now announce the winners today. For the meritorious recognition goes to number 15, Giant Cultural Dancers.
They're getting 30,000 pesos on top of the grant of 40,000 pesos. Congratulations.
The outstanding merit goes to Yaman Cultural Group.
They'll be having 60,000 pesos on top of the 40,000 pesos.
And the highest overall merit, which is the champion, goes to number 19, Hayal de Humili in Symbol.
Congratulations, everyone. You'll be getting 19,000 on top of the 40,000 pesos.
Again, congratulations to all of you.
Okay, let's make sure to keep our area organized and clean before leaving the venue. For those who need assistance, please visit our Red Cross booth. Pakisuyo sa lahat ng performers. Okay, let's check everyone.